Fishy ground Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at the north ramp with information. Hotel VFR departs to the northeast.
VFR to the northeast, you coming in broken on the call sign for now via Delta Alpha Cross 16 advise running complete.
6 Romeo Delta, runway 3 left via Delta Alpha, cross runway 16. Fishy ground Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, run up complete.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, taxi at 3 left, monitor tower.
Taxi and monitor tower 6 Romeo. Future tower Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, holding short 3 left.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower, wind 2204, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff, northeastbound departure is approved. Cherokee driving the upwind is also northeastbound.
6 Romeo Delta, clear for takeoff, runway 3 left, northeastbound approved. Kavya, ready to go?
No.
No? Papa is ready to go. Right? Look outside for an exit, Kavya. Okay.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Kavya, can you look outside for a little bit?
Cross 3 left, Fox Charlie, hold short of the right.
Jet 51 Foxtrot Charlie, Grumman Tiger, in the upwind off parallel runways, northeastbound, wind calm, live runway heading, runway 3 right, clear for takeoff. Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, frequency change cruise to the northeast, have a good day.
Frequency change approach to the northeast, 6 Romeo, thanks.
Atlanta Vision Jet 51 Foxtrot Charlie at a 2.3 for 3 runway heading.
51 Foxtrot Charlie, Atlanta, identical and maintain 7,000.
7 Fox Charlie.
And approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta request.
Over 51 Foxtrot Charlie, radar contact 3 miles northeast of Peachtree, turn right heading at 080.
Right to 080 Fox Charlie.
Who else calling?
November 66 Romeo Delta request.
66 Romeo Delta, go ahead.
November 66 Romeo Delta, over 5 miles northeast of Peachtree, for Grumman Tiger, request for a VFR flight following to Asheville, Alpha Victor Lima. We are Alpha 5 Bravo. Sorry.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, squawk 5167.
5161, 67 for 6 Romeo.
5167.
5167, 6 Romeo.
November 5 Golf Foxtrot, descend to maintain 3000, advise Peachtree in sight.
5 Golf Fox down at 3, field in sight.
5 Golf Foxtrot, cleared visual approach, runway 3 right, maintain 180 knots or greater until you're 5 miles out.
Okay, 180 or greater till 5 out, clear visual 3 right, 5 Golf Fox.
November 6 Romeo Delta, I believe I told you are radar contact. If I didn't, you are radar contact 15 northeast of Peachtree. 10 at approach 132.47.
132.47, 6 Romeo. Planet Grumman 66 Romeo Delta 11 5500.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, on approach altimeter 3023.
3026.
Grumman 16, radar contact, 5 miles west of Gainesville. The altimeter is 3023. Cleared to Romeo Sierra Tango, the direct to Quebec Oscar as filed. Maintain at 7,000, flight point level 400 within 5 minutes.
Planet Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, request.
6 Romeo Delta, third class.
6 Romeo Delta, I would like to climb to 7,500.
6 Romeo Delta, climb and maintain 7,000 for now, I'll fire shortly.
Climb and maintain 7,000 for now.
6 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta Center 134.8.
134.8 for 6 Romeo Delta. Planet Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, climbing to 7,000.
I didn't catch that. Calling Atlanta Center, say again.
November 66 Romeo Delta, climbing to 7,000.
November 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta Center, roger. Maintain VFR, Atlanta altimeter 3022.
3022, 6 Romeo Delta.
November 66 Romeo Delta traffic, 10 o'clock, about 7 miles southbound to B55, 7,500.
Looking for traffic, Grumman. Send Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, negative traffic.
This is 66 Romeo Delta traffic, no factor, pass behind you, November 16 Bravo, traffic, no factor.
6 Romeo, I have it. So thank you.
The 66 Romeo Delta, you may find your discretion VFR.
Back to 75, still.
Regard 5703, contact Atlanta, approach 128.52.
Contact up, I need to keep the mic like that.
Yeah, I will.
November 4943, cross Ozzy, headed maintain 2000 at 250 knots, Atlanta, altimeter 3022.
Oh no, look at this one. Look at this, it's wobbly.
Atlanta, altimeter 3022.
Okay. It is wobbly.
Yeah. Are you cozy? Say what? Taking too long?
Yeah, it's taking too long.
Okay. What do we want to do then?
Give me something so I can.
23
So I can take long.
Look at outside. Look at the mountains. Got the smoky mountains there in the distance. See that?
Too long.
But we're almost there. Look, there's another airport there. Can you tell me how long do we have?
9,000.
Look, we're going really fast. 145 knots. It's really fast.
140.
Yeah, you can read a book, you know. You can read this book. Swim, bird, swim.
Delta 481 from Ozzy, headed maintain 2000 at 250 knots, Atlanta, altimeter 3022. November 66 Romeo Delta, Asheville, altimeter 3019er.
301. Are you flying the airplane, KAVL?
Yeah.
I think you're doing a great job.
Are you almost there to that one place, Papa?
Yes, KAVL.
Altimeter 3022.
We're gonna go through the mountain, okay? I'll show you on the map, okay?
Okay.
November 49.
That's our airport. We're following this line.
Oh, we'll follow that
Maintain
line.
2000 at 250 knots, Atlanta, altimeter 30.
We're gonna cross all this river. Look at that river. See that water there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We are.
Yeah, so we're gonna cross that. And that's the water right there. Then we're gonna go through there. Then take a left turn, okay?
Top level 7,500.
That looks a long way.
700
See that running?
maintain
Line
VFR.
getting longer.
Altimeter 3022.
Yeah, it's not taking longer than it looks like that, but actually we're going very fast.
Maintain
It's the fastest one we can go.
Oh.
If you drive, you'd be taking long.
465 Charlie Echo
Long
813.
time.
Yeah, flying is faster always. So that's why you say, it's taking long time.
700 Papa Sierra.
Look, you're flying the airplane. Thank you.
And maintain 1,000.
You want to become a pilot like Appa?
Yeah, but I can be an artist because I'm always learning to color.
It's okay. You can do all those things. So you can learn to color, you can fly, you can teach.
766 Romeo Delta, contact rear approach 118.8.
118.8. Okay, let me switch the frequency, okay? Hang on, Kyle. Let's go. Rear approach, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 7,500.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, rear approach, for altimeter 3022.
3022, Grumman.
Knots third time, 17540, wind calm, busy 10, sky clear, temperature 72.92, altimeter 3019er.
I want to fly the airplane.
Yeah. So,
Rear approach, Cirrus 179.
how about next weekend?
6,000 feet. Cirrus 179er, Mike Romeo.
Yeah, KAVL and Appa will go for a fun airplane ride.
But I want to ride the whole airplane.
Yeah.
I was riding
Contact
the
Asheville
whole
approach 124.65.
124.565, Grumman. Asheville approach, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 7,500.
66 Romeo Delta, Asheville approach, altimeter 3018. Verify you said you had data is Oscar.
6 Romeo Delta, we do have a disaster.
Thank you.
Asheville approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta. Would like to start our VFR descent.
66 Romeo Delta, VFR altitude, your discretion.
Grumman.
3018, Blue Street 5267, and can we expect the visual? Blue Street 5267, affirmative, you can expect visual approach runway 35, turn 20 degrees left, vector to final. Alright, 20 left, don't expect the visual for 35, Blue Street 5267.
Asheville approach is Saratoga 3971 Romeo, we're going to descend down to 6.5.
November 66 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 350, vectors for sequence.
Left heading 350, Grumman.
Papa,
No, ma'am.
I want to see the map again.
Sorry, we have to make it the map. Airport is right
66
there.
Romeo Delta, turn left heading 320.
Oh, okay.
320, Grumman.
Blue Street 5267 Asheville Airport is 1 o'clock and 13 miles.
Now we are not now. Look, that's the airport, you see that? So,
Nothing?
there's gonna be an airplane. They're gonna send an airplane before us.
Okay.
Blue Street 5267, contact tower 121.1. November 66 Romeo Delta, turn right heading 010.
Turn right, 010, Grumman.
Well, departure in Denver 4786 is 3,500, common 8,000, runway heading off of Asheville.
Endeavor 4786, Asheville departure radar contact, climb maintain 10,000.
Climb maintain 10,000, 10,000, Endeavor 4786.
RV6 Romeo Delta, turn right turn heading 140.
140, Grumman.
RV85 Mike Delta, we're in the middle of a runway change, wind 1609, or you can expect visual approach runway 17.
Expect the visual 17, RV85 Mike Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, traffic to follow 11 o'clock, 2.5 miles, 3,700 regional jet.
Romeo Delta have the traffic inside.
66 Romeo Delta, follow the regional jet for runway 35, contact tower 121.1.
Contact tower, follow the traffic, Grumman. Asheville Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, following the regional jet.
November 66 Romeo Delta, Asheville Tower, the wind is 160 at 9 runway 35. You are clear to land number 2, following the regional jet 3 mile final caution wake turbulence.
Alright, follow the regional jet, Grumman.
November 6 Romeo Delta, runway 35, clear to land.
Runway 35, clear to land, Grumman.
Asheville Tower, Sirius 393, Julia Mike holding short, runway 35.
November 393 Julia Mike, Asheville Tower, roger. November 3 Julia Mike, can you accept an immediate?
Yes, we're ready to go.
November 3 Julia Mike, wind 160 at 9 runway 35, flight runway heading clear for takeoff, traffic 2.5 mile final, Grumman.
Hey, clear for takeoff, runway 35, 3 Julia Mike.
Flight runway heading.
Runway heading.
November 6 Romeo Delta, traffic departing prior to arrival, Sirius taking the runway now.
Romeo Delta have the traffic inside.
November 3 Julia Mike, contact departure.
Over to departure, 3 Julia Mike.
November 6 Romeo Delta, right turn when able, taxi to the ramp via Alpha this frequency.
Taxi to the ramp with this frequency. We're gonna turn right at Alpha 4.
Roger. Asheville Airport information, Papa is current altimeter 3017, runway 17 in use.
Papa,
No, ma'am?
there's snow on the road.
Yeah.
See on the sides there is ice and snow.
Tower, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, going to signature.
Is that truck there?
Yeah, that man is calling us to park. He's showing us where to park.
I think that side.